Sorry, I'm back. Hi, today I'm going to share about the daily Vim tips. Number two, upside down lines. So the issue is how to resolve. Sometimes you have certain lines and you want to make them upside down. For example, something like this. Here, the order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, but how I want is upside down. How to do that in Vim? Open Vim, copy, and paste it here. Now I'll remove the last line. So I pressed DD or delete the line and then shift colon. Make sure you press escape key, escape, then press colon, this shift colon, then G caret M0. If you do that, it would be changing the lines. Then you can use it for your own purpose. Okay, so let me share one more time. So open Vim and paste your lines. Escape. If delete the last line if you have DD you can press. Then G starting with then M0. It will make upside down the lines. Solution is shift colon G for global, the starting with and then M0. In next video, we will see how to remove empty lines. Hope this video is helpful to you to make upside down. If you have any questions, you can comment in the chat box. I will happy to help you. Have a great day. Bye bye.